Good morning, class 2. Welcome to your GK class, children. So, today we will do the revision of chapter 22 of your book. Open your book at page number 3 to 32. So, this is page number 32 and chapter 22. Okay, so we will do the revision of this chapter. The name of the chapter is Who Does What? Who does what? Some people's job is to make things, right? Write who makes the thing in the picture. So here in this on this page you can see 6 picture. So you have to look at the picture and find out who make this thing. They are specialists in making the special things. Okay, so you have to write the name, right? So first of all you can see the picture of some delicious dish, right? See, you can see here. So who is the specialist? Who is the specialist for making this? We call them what? Chef, right? Next one we can see a wooden chair. So who makes this wooden chair? They are carpenters, right? Then we can see the picture of a slice of bread, isn't it? So here the baker makes it. So in this way we can see the picture of one on this one, like something made, an object made out of iron. Then we can see an object that is made out of gold. Then we can see some of the sculpture that is made out of stone, cutting stones, right? So this way these are the work that the various people do. Okay, and below we can see a person who is working on teeth, who is taking care of our teeth. So he is known as a dentist, right? So from this chapter you may get the question like this one you will study, and then I am sending you this extra questions from this chapter. Okay, so on from page number 33 also I have made some question and I'll send it to you through telegram. Okay, understood? I'll send the question answer through telegram. You write down the question answer in the CW copy and then learn. Okay, from page number 33, if you come to page number 33, you can see the picture of a teddy bear, a dog, then some medicines, bangles. So where do we get this thing from? There are some special shops from where we have to buy this thing. Like we get medicines from where? From the chemist shop, right? Then we'll get this pet. If you want to buy pet, where will get the pet? You'll get the pet from a pet shop, right? So this way there are special shops where you will get this thing available. Okay, so you should know the name of those shops. So here the question answers, I'm explaining you the question answers that I have given, and I'll send it soon. So who is a dentist? Number one, who is a dentist? So dentist is a doctor who takes care of our teeth, right? So such type of question will come, and this questions may carry 2 marks each. So you have to write in full sentence. Don't write only dentist take care of teeth. Full sentence, a doctor who takes care of our teeth. Okay, next question is, who is a carpenter? A person who works or make things out of wood is called a carpenter, right? So this way you have to write the answer in full sentences. Now who is a baker? A person who bakes bread, cake or other baked goods. So they are called bakers. Okay, this way you have to write the answer of the questions. From where can we buy a pet? If you want to buy a pet, from where can you buy? So we can buy a pet from a pet shop. Okay, then where do we buy medicines from? So we buy medicines from a chemist's shop. Understood? So this way you have to learn the answers in full. Okay, don't write only chemist shop. If you write this, then I'll deduct your marks. You have to write in full sentence. We can buy or we buy medicines from a chemist's shop. This way. Okay. Now, who is a blacksmith? Who is a blacksmith? A person who creates object primarily from iron or steel. Means mainly they work with iron or steel. They are called blacksmith. Okay, this way I will give you 6 question answer. Please write down the question answers properly in your CW copy and memorize them so that you can write the answers in detail. Okay, understood. So I'll be sending you soon today itself. After the class, I will send you the question and this question answer. Please write down the question answers properly and memorize the same. Okay, so that you can write well in the exam. Okay, from examination point of view, I have given you the extra question answers from chapter 22. Understood? So prepare this for the half yearly exam. Thank you. Have a nice day.